Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have something new and exciting, and that is our all-new leather cleaner wipes. That's right, you guys, the product that you guys know and love and have been using for years, we've now combined it into an easy-to-use and disposable wipe. These wipes not only make cleaning your leather fast, fun, and easy, but they also make it extremely efficient and allow you to do it on the go wherever you are, anytime, any place. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I do want to spend just a little bit of time talking about the packaging. Now the packaging is great because it has this resealable bag. It has a flap right here, right on top, which you can easily open up and pull out your wipes. But the great thing about these wipes is that you can easily store them in a variety of places all around your ride, whether it be in your trunk, your glove box, your center console, your door panels, and so much more. Now all you have to do is pull up the flap, and then you can go ahead and pull out a wipe. Now the wipes are pre-moistened, so all you have to do is just make sure that you grab it on the seam, and then simply pull it out. You can go ahead and tuck it back in if some other wipe decides to want to come out. Set that to the side, and now you can go ahead and start cleaning. Now the great thing about these wipes is that they're extremely flexible, and like I mentioned, they're soaked with the leather cleaner that you guys already know and love. So all you have to do is simply set it down and start wiping. Now these wipes, they make cleaning fast, it's fun, it's easy. You can go ahead and do this anytime, anywhere. Just imagine you're on the road, you have kids in the back seat, you have spills from juice, food, chicken nuggets or whatever it may be. Simply pull out a wipe, clean it up, and you're good to go. And these wipes are also great to just keep in your ride whenever you want to do a routine cleaning. Whenever your leather is not so bad, maybe you just want to give it a quick little touch up, you can use these wipes in between deep cleanings just to maintain the cleanliness of your leather. As you can imagine, if you routinely maintenance your vehicle with these leather cleaner wipes, every so often you're not going to have to deep clean it because you're not going to get the heavy accumulation of dirt, grime, and body oils that sit on your leather. So by routinely cleaning your leather with these wipes, you're not going to get a heavy accumulation of heavy dirt, grime, and body oils that collect on your leather. Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning the bottom of this leather seat. Now we're going to continue with cleaning the rest of it, and then we're going to show you guys some other surfaces that you can use your leather wipes on. Alright guys, so now we're going to move on to cleaning another part of the vehicle, which is the steering wheel. Now the steering wheel is one of those places that you especially want to keep clean because you want to make sure that there's no body oils on your steering wheel, because that can make your steering wheel very slippery, very sticky, and it can actually be a hazard if you're going to be driving in inclement weather. So to avoid that, we're just going to go ahead and simply maintain it with our leather cleaner wipes. So we're going to go ahead and pull out a wipe, set those to the side, and then we're just going to go ahead and start using our wipes to start wiping down the surface of the steering wheel. Now the steering wheel may not look dirty simply because it's black, so with black leather you don't normally see the dirt and grime until you start cleaning it. So we're just going to go ahead and give it a nice thorough cleaning all the way around, and we're just going to go ahead and do our best in terms of removing all of this body oils, grime. I can see that there's like some sunscreen kind of stains on the steering wheel, causing it to look kind of chalky and white. So we're just going to go ahead and simply give it a quick little cleanup like so, to remove all the embedded dirt and grime to ensure a nice secure grip on the wheel. Alright guys, so we just finished wiping down the steering wheel, and check this out you guys. There's a ton of dirt and grime on the wipe. Now that was all the embedded body oils that were on the steering wheel. So now that it's clean, we can go ahead and put our hands on the wheel, and we have a nice, secure, firm grip on the wheel, and that way it's not feeling all sticky or oily. Now, one of the great things about these wipes is that they're extremely versatile. So we've shown you guys how to use it to clean your seats. We've shown you guys how to use it to clean your steering wheel. Some of the other surfaces you might find in your interior, which are going to be perfect for these wipes to clean, will be like leather dashboards, door panels, center consoles, and so much more. But it doesn't stop there, because these leather wipes are extremely versatile in the sense that you're not only limited to use them on just your vehicle. You can actually use them on a multitude of surfaces, not even related to your vehicle at all. You can actually use them on things at home or even at your office, on things like leather couches, chairs. You can even use them on things like belts, shoes, purses, even sporting equipment. These leather wipes are also great for different types of leather, such as on genuine leather. You can use them on synthetic leather, even vegan leather. So if you have a Tesla, this is going to work out great for you. And if you have some kind of vehicle that has synthetic leather material, guess what? You're in the clear, because these leather wipes are going to work out just as great for you as well. Alright guys, so far we've showed you guys how to clean a multitude of surfaces on the light to medium dirty level. Now when it comes to cleaning super dirty leather, I'm talking about the leather that has not been cleaned in years and you need that ultra deep clean, that's when we would recommend going with our leather cleaner product paired with a soft horsehair brush. So you can use those products to give your leather a nice deep clean, and then when it comes to routine cleanings for like little things, light to dirty grime, little spills here and there, that's when our leather cleaner wipes are gonna work out perfect for you. So you can use the combination of both of them to keep your leather clean and looking great for years to come. All right guys, so right now we're gonna go ahead and finish cleaning the rest of the leather surfaces in this AMG, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna pick up your very own leather cleaner wipes, you can do so today by visiting our website, chemicalguys.com, which is also linked down below in the description, or you can go ahead and visit your local detail garage store to get yours today. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'll see you guys next time.